Hello friends, this is Azim from Shazam, and in this video we are going to start that what is a variable and how we can use these variable in our programming using PHP 5. Basically, variables are containers for storing information and other data. In PHP, a variable is start with the dollar sign followed by the name of the variable. So let's start the coding now, and I have the basic structure of the HTML. So I will write my code here. I will make a variable with name and I will assign the value Azim to it. When you are going to type text, you will use commas, and I will make other variable with the name num, and I will put my number which is string, and I will make another variable with the country and I will assign the value Pakistan to it. So here I will use echo statement, which is built-in function of PHP, and now I will write the name of the variable, which is $_name, and I will use echo and put a break tag here. So I will copy it and paste it here and paste it here again. So I have these three variables here, and I will echo these value in these variables. So here is our second variable and the third variable, and I will use the second variable which is $num and the third variable which is $country. Control S to save and Alt Tab to go to your browser. Go to your browser and refresh it. Oh, there is this little mistake. The mistake is 00 here. I will remove them and Control S to save. Now you can see our variables information is going up there. You can see these are our variables and we already have been printed them in our browser. So I will use echo statement again, and in double commas I will use these variable to make it more easy and in an efficient way. I am Azim. My phone number is $num and I lived in $country. I am using these variable to print out the information. I will refresh it and you can see that our line is executing here. You can see when you assign a text value to a variable, put quotes around the value, and when you assign a string value to a variable, then you have no need to put quotes around the value. So after the execution of this statement here, the variable sname will hold the value of Azim, and the variable $num will hold the value of this phone number, and the variable country will hold the value of Pakistan. A variable can have a short name like X and Y, and or a more descriptive name like age, car name, total column. You can use, so a variable starts with the $sign followed by the name of variable, and a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores like A to Z and A 0 to 9 and underscore. Variable name are case sensitive like $age and $age are two different variables here. So that's it for this video, and if you have any question then you can contact me, and I will see you in the next lecture.